Just imagine the time when it's Qiyamah, all of us are gone. There will be nobody then praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala because we'll be obviously not here. Yet at that time also Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be there. So he'll still be sending salam and durood to our beloved Prophet because that is what he tells us in Al-Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's basic love for our beloved Prophet is something that we cannot understand. We may think we do or we don't. All we know is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised to his beloved Prophet that his every coming day will be better than the day before. And that is ورفعنا ذکرک, oh my beloved, I have for you elevated your ذکر. In that context, we are going to have a Mahfil Sama here on 15th of May. That is basically Nasheed, not praising our beloved Prophet. We do our part to purify our heart, to join Allah and His angels in glorifying our beloved Prophet. So that will happen outside. Here we will have a special tent. And I think it's important for us to realize the status of our beloved Prophet. These mahafil of Nasheed and Naat and Qawwalis basically are repeating the praises of our Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and beloved Prophet, and then really purifying your heart. Some people I have heard have actually passed on listening to that kind of a music because they love their beloved Prophet so much that they really go into a trance and they transform themselves. So please join us on 15th. We'll be sending an announcement to you.